Hey everybody, this is Matt Bergman, and I might be late to the game on this one, but I tell you what, I love it. This is a powerfully simple tool called IdeaBoardz, and I want to show you how to use it here in minutes. So whether you want to brainstorm some ideas about professional development ideas, what went well, what didn't go well in a pre-PD session, or if you wanted to go and have an ending parking lot ticket or a group collaborative activity in your class where you're talking about pros and cons of a topic, you can go ahead and do that using IdeaBoardz. All right, so here's how it works. You go to ideaboardz.com and you simply click create a brand new board. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have where I'm creating a sample board, and this sample is going to, that's my description, and then I can design it with one of the following templates. Now I can do pros and cons, or I can do sections. So for example, if I wanted to do the example over here, what went well, what didn't go well, I could do that simply by putting in my own titles. But I like the pros and cons list right here, so I'm gonna keep that as is. Now I'm gonna just simply choose I'm not a robot, hit create, and I'm in. Now, there is a way for you to have an account here. You can link your Google account to it if you would like, and that's exactly what I did. All right, so I have a sample board here that we are putting together. Now, if I was designing this again, what I should probably do is I should probably simply change this to whatever I'm comparing and contrasting, right? So let's talk about summer. So we're going to talk about the pros of summer and the cons of summer, right? So if I choose this right here, I can choose, I'm going to type in it is hot, okay, which could be a pro. But the cons could be it might be too hot, all right? So you could go through and you can add different things like, you could go swimming. That's pretty cool. And then right over here, cons, no snow generally, okay? So how do you share this with other people that you would want to have access to this board? Well, you simply just share the URL at the top of your screen. Now, if you have mobile devices, you can also do this. You can click right here in the Chrome browser and simply use this QR code to go through and access this board. All right, so we have the pros and cons and everything. What I can also do is I can go right here and focus only on the pros list, or focus only on the cons list, or I can have all sections, right? I can even sort by the number of votes. So you'll see right down here, I can go through and I can add a vote to that particular item. I can even add additional content right here if I would like to add more content here, okay? So what I can then do is I can sort by votes if I'd like, so we can see the most popular items, and I can even export as a PDF or an Excel document. So IdeaBoardz, a really neat tool, simple to use, reminds me a lot of Jamboard, but much simpler. Also Padlet, there's some similarities there, and it is easy to use.